This 2021 CrossRoads Zinger ZR328SB 2BDRM double slide, rear bunkhouse is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used CrossRoads is 36 feet 6 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 11, air conditioning, external shower, slideout, auxiliary battery, and 51 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2021 CrossRoads Zinger ZR328SB 2BDRM double slide, rear bunkhouse is 7,900 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.